This is a MacBook Pro M1 and with an issue, no charging. Apple logo then off. Sometimes shows a recovery option. Let's disassemble. Disconnect the battery first always, before doing any hardware job. Disconnect all flags carefully. I already solved the problem and showing you the process. PCB looks fine from the upper side. Let's see the lower side. Here you can see this section has issues. This MacBook was damaged due to an ant. If you leave your MacBook and sometime such thing happen, then there must be an ant that can make damage your PCB like that. So always keep it in a safe place and don't leave your food on the keyboard. This may attract the ants. Most causes have charging connector issues. In most cases of charging have this was rusty and dirty. Check it first. PCB looks fine. You have to check everywhere if there are any water symptoms or rusty sign. After proper investigation, found this section was faulty. This is a charging block IC and near the capacitor is faulty and the line is also missing in my cases. You can see this diagram. This B4 pin is missing in my cases. I made the track and revealed this IC. Let's put PCB back and check. Here we can see the Apple logo appears and the MacBook was fully powered on. If you have any query, don't forget to leave your valuable comment. Here you can see the charging is also showing, means the problem was fixed. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If that video is helpful, then don't forget to like and share. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the Solution signing out.